Kunjani baba?
Ngiyaphila mfethu ngesilungu bathi all is well.
All is well.
All is well mfethu.
Today's performance baba sibone witness something different ku Orlando Pirates today. How's your thought on the game today?
Mfethu angisoli lutho. By the way ukuza kwami lapha ngize vele yonke into beyiready ngishiye amalahle on, Brian stand on, inyama already beyiphekwa kwamalahle. Ya lama siza la mfethu suke sizele into obvious akudlalwa mchina la kudlalwa lotho la ngeni lapha sithi mhlambe singaphuma naye siza lapha sazi ingakho ngihlezi ngisho ngithi mawuyibhakaniya mfethu ngiyacela impela egameni lika Jesu umsindisi umakhelwane ofavor olamlami sicela basiboleke nje iBrain stand basiboleka amalahle nenyama futhi bengasiboleka ngoba limonga brayi inyama iyabole efrijini once inyama yabambe ice kakhulu ingasebenzi iyamosheka so siyacela ezweni isikhathi sethu mfethu we are cruising nice we understand sometimes bafethu kufanele beke one side ubuthakathi ya kunesikhathi la kufanele khona usivume isitha sakho noma usithanda if isitha sakho isizini yaso ya sometimes kuye kwaba nesizini yeSundowns mfethu savuma sikhumula amakepisi sithi bayede sunflower ya but njengamanje nayo isunflower nolamlami isikhathi sokuthi ulamlami uye kumgqakazo ulamthutha uye kumgqakazo uyeke yonke into usalute isikhathi sethu mfethu njoba size la iperformance 100% attendance 100% #we are sold out FC la kuyagcwala la kusebumlandini lapha mfethu lana kuphume amabheluni mfethu mayephuma ngiwacheka ngiwathatha ivideo ngithi azothi mayifika phezulu ori ebhame ngawabona ethatha indlela mangithi ngibuza uMrs GPS wathi aye naturena ngathi nakho awaye lapho ayofaka usawoti esilondini ayincengene ke lo nyaka ya and kunesinye statement mngani wami just uthi angithandi ukukhuluma amagama abantu but kunomunye ubaba kunomunye ubhuti angazi ubhuti kabani ubaba kabani othi ayeke iSundowns ngokuthi inenkinga sihlangana naphi inenkinga zeSundowns kunini sinenkinga ngoba nathi siyibhaniya awukumuzo ngenankinga you understand so akahamba yotshela abaphathi bePSL ukuthi akungadlalwa kulindwa iSundowns nenkinga zayo ziyosolvwa nini ayifuni thina sizoyishaya baba come Wednesday ayincengene njoba ngihleze ngisho ngithi thina we are the ghost mawungasazi siyizapoko isapoko mina ngeke usibone alishoni la le game siyenze ngamabomu ukuyifaka phakathi neviki saphinde sayifaka ebusuku uzozwa wena
yazi bengisathi ngiya kule game Wednesday asikisi kancane ukhatho bengisathi ngiya kule game Wednesday ukuthi build up le game Wednesday nje ukuthi kuba njani FNB
yemfowethu thina sile Pirates esikhuluma ngayo manje ngicabanga kakhulu ukuthi siyaqala ukuba neteam dangerous kuma sub siyiteam thina othi mawuqalaza ibench uvela uphelelwe iappetite uluzi weight ixega amabhluku exega amaphinifa uyabona ibench lethu hayi ngiyakutshela ba because uthi mawubuka ibench ubone ukuthi hayibo nakho ngihlaselwa omfukeki ngihlaselwa Police uthi uyaqalaza kusase no master chef uvela ubona ukuthi inkinga mfethu you understand so going to game la Wednesday mfethu noma singalanda impontshane simfaka ebenchini siyakruza lapha iSundowns we fucked up iSundowns mfethu utshelwa yimi nezinkinga zayo and asiwona ama social worker thina siyanga lapho kusolve inkinga lezo azizelanga leyo nto azizelanga asinandaba nezinkinga by the way akube inkinga pheki kwenkinga saba nezinkinga baba njengoba sikhawunta ukuthi sina more than 10 years singathathi league izinkinga lezo wake wakhuluma ubaba umntungu ukuthi Pirates bafethu ningayizeli nishaya isenkingeni akasimele nje kancinci uyangithola yeah Wednesday is Wednesday baba sibala amalanga
and ukhumbule weze siyemzini kaPapa wawo kuyoba njani lapha
kuyonukula mthuthu ya siyobraya wona into engiyishoyo mabhakani ningakhathazeki ngenyama siyakhona mfethu kwifarm iyo la mthuthu ngoba khala iqhuthe khala isigugukazi siyowosa emuna is 2026 bagcina kudala ulamthuthu ubiliselwa amanzi mawuqutha siyawuqutha ngama ice sidonsa isikhumba hlepuke lenyama we are cruising nice asincenge baba sinashwele
Thank you ngiyabonga bhuti.
Shenka.
Opapakaniya.
Ngakho.
Thank you bhuti. Hayi sohlangana sobonana Wednesday bhuti sobonana Wednesday.